All right, so you're gonna look for it to come out.
Boom!
So we got 2 lung shots right out of your Hudson. Still both good shots on it. We're gonna load it up in there. It's gonna come around this corner and it's gonna sprint right at it. So same thing you were doing here. So keep it up, shoot, re-engage it, get on it on that second trigger and pull it again on it. Keep it in your shoulder nice and tight. Have a nice aggressive stance on it into your shoulder. Pull it up, nice trigger pull through it, and then take the recoil. So it's going to come out around to the left and then it's going to charge you. Bring it up, present. First shot is shoulder, I think, and then I think your second shot was right there.